Hi, today we're going to be opening up a pet entry play, My Little Pony PREMiERE 12 card booster pet, the CCG, not TCG, but the CCG, collector card game, not collector trading card game, booster pack. Where did I pick this up at? The dollar store. You used to be able to pick it up at Walmart. Definitely Toy you used to be able to pick it up at. Not anymore, so it's an actual physical Walmart store. Dollar store is where you can pick this up at. You can also pick it up at toywizard.com and Amazon and eBay, obviously. Link down below in the description to them. Actually, I believe you could pick it up on eBay. As you know, I don't really shop eBay. Amazon, yeah. ToyWiz, yeah, they're okay. But, yeah, I don't like eBay, but, Dollar store definitely, but cheapest place that you're gonna get them at. ToyWiz, kinda high. Amazon's kinda high. You can also get them from, entry play, but you have to buy, like, a whole case of them. So, yeah. But, yeah. This is from, like I said, the PREMiERE series. So, anyway. And, Hasbro. So, yeah, let's open it up and see who we got in here. India SWAT, Earth Pony, which is 29 common. Next up we have Royal Whiff, Earth Pony, 78 common. Then we have Ponyville Any Bottle, which is 188 common. Right there for a problem card. Then we have Spread Your Wings event, 95 common. Buried Dreams, Earth Pony, 37 common. Rising Star, Unicorn, 75 common. And if you didn't know, Rising Star is kind of like the best friend to GJ Pond 3 Vinyl Scratch, which, if you know, GJ Pond 3 is not her real name. Her real name is actually Vinyl Scratch. But that's her stage name, is GJ Pond 3. Her and him are supposed to be friends. If you go check like the YouTube, fan thing, you kind of understand it a little bit better, but yeah. Which is unfortunate because we never really seen this character in the show. Anyway, moving on, we have Not Enough Pinkie Pies. Problem card. This one is 181 common. Then have Elf Stop. Wait, Eve Stop. Yeah, I've never seen this Pegasus before, but it's Pegasus. 69 Wear. Heart's Desire, Resource Asset. 209 Ultra Wear. And this one's also our foil card. Don't know how good you can see it on camera, but yeah, you kind of see that's the foil one. So, pretty cool. We have Flim for a Troublemaker card. 155 Ultra Wear. But uncommon, that's an uncommon one. Lee Pony Bears, Resource Asset. 140 uncommon. And then we have Raise This Barn, which is a product card, which is what, so 189 uncommon. Yeah, and that's our last one. Not a bad pull. I mean, the ones that I find is pretty good. Maybe the resource one. This one's kind of hard to find, especially if you know the YouTube fan base series was Rising Star and DJ Pond Free Vinyl Scratch. This one's kind of good. The Resource Assist, Heart's Desire. Yeah, so maybe those three. Yeah, for $1 at the dollar store, not a bad pull, you know. So yeah, that has been the opening of Play My Little Pony CCG, the collector card game, Troll Card Booster Pack of the PREMiERE series. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.